I have been, from the beginning, I have been instructed at the end to stay out. I try to make amends in the beginning. So I don't see this as really a loss. I just think that we need to find a way to work together, which was always my goal, that MHF and these persons need to find a way to work together. If they are to be established, they would still have to work together because MHF is the only place that offers in care. So the objective of it, we're discussing it right now to find the best ways and conditions for us to move forward.
Can you address the existing court cases with MHF?
Thank you, Minister Ottley. Thank you, Minister Ottley, and thank you, Bibi. Raf Kantab, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Roach. My question is also for the Minister of VSA. And my question relates to the press release that just came out today regarding the hospital development. And my question is, given that they are having delays and, issues as it relates to procuring necessary equipment to continue with the project, who will pay for increases in the budget of the hospital, and what consequences are there if it's not built according to the allotted time?
Okay, it's two different things, Mr. Kantav. In the paper today was the extensions of the SMMC. That's to offer extended care to the people of St. Martin. That has nothing to do, what was in the paper today, from what I can, unless I'm mistaken, was...
It wasn't relating to the paper. It's a press release that was sent just this morning via email.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah, we just sent that, so probably that's...
Well,
yeah.
During 2 weeks ago, I put out a release. I went to the St. Maarten Medical Center. We spoke with the management team and everyone involved with the project. I spoke with the FINSO, and they gave me a timeline in which, of course, the entire foundation is to be poured, and I told them I would hold them to that timeline. Also, the HEFMIN also just had a meeting with the Italian ambassador, who also expressed his interest in the project and also said that he's willing to assist where need be. Now, of course, around the world, cost, material, everything has gone up. The project, SMMC has not paid a dime over what they are supposed to pay, because you get paid based on progress and what was agreed. That's number one, and I want the public to know. As a SMMC has not paid a dime over what has to be paid. But the reality is now, with the surge in prices, with the surge in oil prices, gas prices, everything, the reality is that the contractor and SMMC both know that there is an inflation in material, pricing, shipping costs, and everything. So what we are trying to find now is a medium in which we know what is considered a reasonable inflation. That is the only issue at the moment, what is considered a reasonable inflation. So I just want the public to know that nowhere has SMMC, or by extension the government or the people of St. Maarten, overpaid to FINSO for this project.
Thank you.
And for clarity, 1 minute, if there's any delays to the project based on construction, the burden is on the contractor. They will pay.